Welcome back to Remezmerized by Science. Today I have some stuff you probably have in your house right now, some hydrogen peroxide and some vinegar and a couple pennies. What I'm wondering is if I can take these three old things and make something new. So what I'm going to do is I pre-measured this so that you didn't have to watch that part, but I have 30 milliliters of vinegar, white vinegar, just vinegar you would have around your house. And then I have 15 milliliters, so about half that. This would be about 2 tablespoons if you want to do this at home, and about 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour them into a heat-proof container and give them a quick swirl. And I'm going to heat this until it's boiling. Okay, I'm back with some boiling water, the boiling solution of vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to go ahead and drop these pennies in, and we're just going to wait for a few minutes and see what happens. So we're back. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes now since I put these pennies into our solution. So we had hydrogen peroxide and we had white vinegar, 2 chemicals. They were clear, and then I heated them up and added some copper pennies, and I have created a blue solution, copper acetate. I'm going to go ahead and take these pennies out, and we're going to see about possibly starting another investigation. Okay, so our pennies are out, and I have here just an iron nail. I'm going to go ahead and put that into our copper solution. This reaction takes a bit longer, so I'm going to let that guy sit there for a few hours, and we will come back and check out and see what's happening. Has now turned a rust colored from having an iron nail sit in it for a few hours. So again, another chemical reaction. It's been a couple hours since we ended our experiment, but I wanted to come back and show you that our copper. And something else that's really cool, take a look at our nail that was black. It has kind of gotten copper plated. So it turns out we did make something new from something old. We took hydrogen peroxide and vinegar, we heated it till it was boiling, added a couple pennies, and we created copper acetate solution. Thanks for joining me on Remezmerized by Science. Till next time. Macy, what did you think of the show? Did you like it? Guess not. Guess all that science wore you out, Brody.